ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Advaita Siddhi, earlier we saw Drigdrishya Viveka, and then we are seeing, can this Drigdrishya Viveka, which is Adhyasika Sambandha, between Drig and Drishya, Adhyasika Sambandha, can it be refuted by Anukula Tarka? So that topic we are seeing. We are on page number 315. Second paragraph. So the last portion that we saw, last sentence was Nacha adhyasikatve sambandhasya sadhye dharmigrahaka mana badha विशिष्ट बुद्धित्वेन प्रथमं तात्विक अतात्विक साधारण संबंधस्यैव सिद्धेः. So the point here was, Purvapakshi said that this sambandha between drishta and drishya, first you will prove that sambandha, then in that sambandha you will prove adhyasikatva. So first there will be sambandha samanya, then there will be tatvika atatvikatva. So first sambandha will be there, then sambandha will become paksha, then ayam sambandha adhyasikaha. In this way you will do anumanam. So first you will have to prove paksha. Paksha has to be there. Otherwise, what will be the dosha if paksha is asiddha?
Sadhana Vaikali.
If paksha is not there, what happened to all tarka sangraha concepts? Ashraya siddhi. Paksha is ashraya, drishtanta is gaganarvindam surabhi. So, Siddhanti says, we are not going to prove first sambandha through pramana, then adhyasikatva in them. That is what the sentence said. Nacha adhyasikatve sambandhasya sadhye dharmik grahaka mana badha विशिष्ट बुद्धित्वेन प्रथम तात्विक अतात्विक साधारण संबंध सेव सिद्धि है. In the beginning, sadharana sambandha siddhi will be there. Sambandha samanya. In other words, whether it is tatvika or atatvika, whether it is adhyasa or not, that we are not going to say in the beginning. Some sambandha is there. So then dharmi grahaka pramanena badha shanka is not possible. This was said. Now further, kincha संबंध ग्राहक एव तात्विक संबंध व्यापक अनुपलब्धि रूप बाध सहकृत आध्यासिक संबंधे पर्यवस्यति अतो न धर्मी ग्राहक बाध शंका अपि. I already explained there is no dharmi grahaka badha shanka. Why? Because संबंध ग्राहक एव तात्विक संबंध व्यापक अनुपलब्धि रूप बाध सहकृत आध्यासिक संबंधे पर्यवस्यति. The sambandha between jnana and jnaya, we saw this last time, if you remember. Jnanam here means Brahma. Jnaya means any padartha. Brahma means Brahma, which is Jnana Swarupa. That is Jnanam. And Jnaya is any other object. That Jnaya is adhyastha in Jnanam, according to Siddhanti. And for Tattvika Sambandha, Siddhanti had given a Vyapti. Yatra yatra Tattvika Sambandha tatra tatra Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhavaha. You remember this we saw last time. Yatra yatra Tattvika Sambandha tatra tatra Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava. This you remember because we are going to use this further. Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava, if it is there, then that Sambandha will be Tattvika. Otherwise, means if there is a Viprakarsha in Desha or Kala, it will become what? Adhyasika Sambandha. In that Sambandha, there will be Adhyasikatva. So if Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava is not Upalabdha, is Anupalabdha, Tattvika Sambandha Vyapaka, see that main sentence. Tattvika Sambandha Vyapaka. What is Tattvika Sambandha Vyapaka? Yatra yatra Tattvika Sambandha tatra tatra
देशकाल
अभाव
Viprakarsha Abhava. It's Anupalabdhi. Tattvika Sambandha Vyapaka Anupalabdhi Rupa Badha. If such Badha is there, then Adhyasika Sambandha is proved. So Badha Sahakrita Adhyasika Sambandhe Paryavasyati. That Sambandha will be proved as Adhyasika Sambandha. So main thing is our Vyapti which was there, Siddhanti's Vyapti. In that, if Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava is not Upalabdha, is Anupalabdha, Sambandha will become Adhyasika. So, Anupalabdhi Rupa Badha. This is the Badha. Badha of Tattvika Sambandha. Tattvika Sambandha, when it is Badhita, it will be Adhyasika. And therefore, Ataha na dharmi grahaka Badha Shanka api. Therefore, dharmi grahaka Badha is not there. Dharmi grahaka pramana. By that pramana, there is Badha. This is what Purvapakshi had said. So the previous sentence that I started with today, in that there is a word dharmi grahaka mana badha.
Yes, Swamiji.
That dharmi grahaka mana badha shanka api na. That is what Siddhanti proved. further. Now, for the next sentence, you know what is Yuta Siddha and Ayuta Siddha. Yuta Siddha means dependently existing or independently existing.
Dependently.
Wrong. Yuta Siddha means independently existing. Drashtanta is Ghata and Pata. Ghata and Pata are Yuta Siddha. What is the definition of Ayuta Siddhi or Ayuta Siddhau? Ayuta Siddhi. Yayor Dvayor Madhye.
Ekam avinashyad avastham
Aparashritam.
Apashritam eva avatisthate. Tau ayuta siddham.
Yayor Dvayor Madhye. Good. Ekam Avinashyat. Avastham Aparashritam eva avatishthate. So these are called Ayuta Siddha. So Tantu and Pata are Ayuta Siddha because between them, Pata, when it is in Avinashat Avastha, Aparashritam Avatishthate. Apara is Tantu. Tantu Ashritam Avatishthate. So Ghata, Pata are Yuta Siddha. Tantu, Pata are Ayuta Siddha. So remember that. Now in the next portion, there are some different readings, okay? Starting from this Nacha Evam Yuta Siddha Yoho. So we will just go by what is given in this book that you have. But there are some pathantaras in this. So if you just want, you note, but I refer to at least two different commentaries. They have this same reading. Means three of them have the same. And somewhere it is different. It is possible. Nacha evam. Yuta siddhayo. So nacha evam siddhanti will say. Purva Pakshi will say Yuta siddhayo reva sanyog rupa sambandha darshanat. Ayuta siddhirapi samavayasya badhika syat. So instead of samavaya, either it is sanyoga or it is sambandha, just general sambandha. So we will leave it as samavaya. Samavayasya badhika syat. Iti nacha vachyam. Yuta siddhayoho. What are Yuta siddha? Ghata and Pata. They are Yuta siddha. Yuta siddhayoho. Eva sanyoga rupa sambandha darshanat. So Ghata and Pata, can they have samvaya sambandha?
No, Swamiji.
So only sanyoga. Sanyoga rupa sambandha eva darshanat. And only this sambandha is possible for Yuta siddha. Ayuta siddhirapi samavayasya badhika syat. Ayuta siddha means they have to have samvaya sambandha like tantu, pata, etc., guna, guni, etc. They have to have samvaya sambandha. So Ayuta siddhayoho or Ayuta siddhirapi samvayasya badhika syat. Purva Pakshi says samvaya also will not be siddha. If you use this vyapti, that yatra yatra tatvika sambandha tatra tatra desha kala viprakarsha abhava. So Purva Pakshi wants to show that yatra yatra संबंधः तत्र तत्र युत सिद्धि. There is a sambandha between Ghatapata and their Yuta Siddha. So what is the objective of this Vyapti? Purvapakshi wants to do Khandanam of Siddhanti's Vyapti. So between Ghata and Kapala, is there Yuta Siddhi or no Yuta Siddhi?
Ayutas.
Ghata and Kapala are Ayuta Siddha, means there is no Yuta Siddhi. So Yuta Siddhi above, because Purvapakshi's Vyapti is Yatra Yatra Sambandha Tatra Tatra Yuta Siddhi. So between Ghata and Kapala, there is Ayuta Siddhi, because as long as Ghata is there, Ghata cannot be separated from Kapala. So Vyapaka is Yuta Siddhi. Yatra Yatra Vyapaka Abhava. So Tatra Tatra Sambandha Abhava, but Samvaya Sambandha is there. Right? Between Ghata and Kapala, Samvaya Sambandha is there. So this Purvapakshi, according to him, see what he has said. Samvaya se badhika syat, Samvaya Sambandha badha will happen if you take this kind of Vyapti. Iti nacha vachyam, Siddhanti says. Then the next word is Yuta Siddhayoho. Another reading is there, Ayuta Siddhayoho. But we will go with Yuta Siddhayoho only. Yuta Siddhayoho api Vachit Sambandha Adarshanena. Yuta Siddhatvasya Sambandha Prayojakatvat. Sambandha Aprayojakatvat. Yuta Siddhayoho api. Yuta Siddha means Ghatapata. Sometimes there is no Sambandha, like Vindhya and Himachala. They are Yuta Siddha, they are independently existing, and there is no Sambandha. Yuta Siddhayoho api kvachit Sambandha Adarshanena. Yuta Siddhatvasya Sambandha Aprayojakatvat. Those which are Yuta Siddhatvasya na Sambandha Prayojakatvam, Aprayojakatvat. In other words, just because something is Yuta Siddha, it will not become Hetu for Sambandha. Sambandha Aprayojaka means it will not become Hetu for Sambandha Siddhi, which is what Purvapakshi's Vyapti was. Yatra Yatra Yuta Siddhatvam Tatra Tatra Sambandha. This kind of Vyapti we don't get. And Purvapakshi's Vyapti, Yatra Yatra Sambandha Tatra Tatra Yuta Siddhi, that Vyapti has to be Sama Vyapti. When there is a discussion on Prayojaka and Prayojya, Vyapti has to be Sama Vyapti. If you just say Hetu Sadhya, Sama Vyapti is not needed. For example, Parvato Vandiman Dhuma, Sama Vyapti is not needed between Dhuma and Vandi. But if there is a Prayojaka, between Prayojaka and Prayojya, there has to be Sama Vyapti. So Yatra Yatra Sambandha Tatra Tatra Yuta Siddhi. Yatra yatra yuta siddhi tatra tatra sambandha. But it is not true, because yatra yatra yuta siddhi, between Himalaya and Vindhyachala, there is no sambandha. So that Vyapti is asiddha as far as Purvapakshi is concerned. Purvapakshi cannot do that siddhi, and therefore Yuta siddhatva is not sambandha prayojaka. Yuta siddhatvam is not sambandha prayojaka. See the next line. Yuta siddhatvasya sambandha aprayojakatvat. Yuta siddha is not sambandha prayojaka. Then what? Then question will come. Somebody had any question? Somebody wanted to ask anything?
Swamiji, could Swamiji explain why prayoja requires samavyapti?
Prayojaka and prayojya, why they need samavyapti? So the drishtanta for prayojaka prayojya would be something like this. When we say mrid sattve घट सत्व, मृद अभावे घट अभाव. So mrid sattve घट सत्वम. So when we say mrid sattve घट सत्वम, mrid is ghatasya karanam. And when you say mrid abhave घट abhava, so in this case, abhava being anadi, you cannot say mrid abhava is a karanam for ghata abhava, because anadi vastu cannot have karana. So for anadi vastu, we use the word prayojaka. Now, in normal circumstances, like if you say dhuma sattve vanni sattvam, and vanni is the karanam for dhuma, so you will have to say vanni sattve dhuma sattvam, vanni abhave dhuma bhava. But between vanni and dhuma, if there is no samavyapti, then vanni sattve dhuma sattvam is not true. Because ayogolaka is there, where vanni is there, dhuma is not there. So between, when you want to establish prayojaka, where you are going to use abhava also of the two, if the vyapti is samavyapti, then only you can say, like other drashtant of samavyapti would be prameyatvam and abhideyatvam. Yatra yatra prameyatvam tatra tatra abhideyatvam. Yatra yatra abhideyatvam tatra tatra prameyatvam. So yatra yatra prameyatva abhava tatra tatra abhideyatva abhava. So then prameyatva abhava is prayojaka of abhideyatva abhava. So in basic thing is, in order to accommodate abhava, you had to use prayojaka, because abhava is anadi. Now when you use prayojaka, only when there is samavyapti, then you will be able to say mrid sattve ghata sattvam, mrid abhave ghata abhava, or ghata abhave mrid abhava. Either way. Otherwise, you will not have prayojaka prayojya sambandha. So it requires in this way. That is the reason. What is the question?
Swamiji, ghata abhave, mrud abhava. Swamiji said, ghata abhava can be there, mrud abhava
Yeah.
may not.
That's why it's not samavyapti, right? Between ghat and mrittika. Mrittika can be there, ghata need not be there. That's why you need to have samavyapti.
Okay, sir.
So then Purvapakshi will ask, what is the prayojaka? So Siddhanti says, Yasmin sati avashyam sambandha sa eva sambandhasya prayojaka. Yasmin sati avashyam sambandha. That when it is there, then sambandha is bound to be there. That is the sambandhasya prayojaka. Iti samavyaptatva abhavena. See, he says, if samavyaptatva abhava is there, samavyaptatva abhavena yuta siddhi anupalabdhehe. Yutal siddhi is not available. Yuta siddhi anupalabdhehe abadhakatvat. Yuta siddhi anupalabdhi is not there because it is abadhaka. Means things are yuta siddha, but sambandha is not there. Tatra sambandhas tatra yatra sambandhas tatra avashyam yuta siddhihi iti vishama vyapti kalpane api mana bhavat. And yatra sambandha tatra yuta siddhihi. This kind of vishama vyapti also you cannot think of. There is no pramanam for it. If there is a sambandha, then it has to be yuta siddha only. Not necessary, because samvaya sambandha could be there between ayuta siddha. So neither there is any pramana in that, nor there is anukula tarka. Anukula tarka adarshanat. When it comes to vishama vyapti. Yatra sambandha tatra avashyam yuta siddhi. Such kind of vishama vyapti does not have pramana or anukula tarka. देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभाववताम तु सर्वेषां संबंध दर्शनेन विप्रकर्षे तद अदर्शनेन च समव्याप्ततया प्रयोजकस्य देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभावस्य अनुपलब्धेः संबंध बाधकत्वस्य अवश्यम अंगीकरणीयत्वात्. देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभाववताम तु सर्वेषां. Siddhanti says desha kala viprakarsha abhava. So desha kala viprakarsha abhavatam sarvesham sambandha darshanena desha kala viprakarsha abhavaman is that sambandha. That sambandha will become what kind of sambandha? तात्विक और आध्यासिक. तात्विक. देशकाल विप्रकर्ष अभावतां तु सर्वेषां संबंधदर्शनेन, that संबंध is seen. Viprakarše tad adarshanena, and if there is viprakarsha, sambandha is not seen, means there is no real sambandha. Adarshanena cha samavyaptataya prayojakasya, this prayojaka needs to have samavyapti. So if two things are ghata and pata, let us say they are proved through some sambandha. So they are yuta siddha and sambandha is also there. But that does not mean later they will become independent without sambandha. So those which have deshakal viprakarsha abhava, they have sambandha. If they have deshakal viprakarsha, then there is no sambandha. And where there is sambandha, you can use this as samavyapti. Yatra yatra deshakala viprakarsha abhava, tatra tatra sambandha. Yatra yatra sambandha, tatra tatra deshakala viprakarsha abhava. Purvapakshi is going to come back with some arguments on this, but at least for now, understand, if there is a relationship between ghata and pata, they both have to exist within the samana desha, samana kala. Ghata is here, pata is somewhere, sambandha is not possible. Ghata is now, pata has not come into existence or it was already burnt, sambandha is not possible. Same thing is true with samvaya sambandha, tantu and pata, etc. So, whatever vyapti that Siddhanti has shown, देशकाल विप्रकर्ष अभावस्य अनुपलब्धेः संबंध बाधकत्वस्य अवश्यम अंगीकरणीयत्वात्. I am reading from another book, so hopefully the readings are same. देशकाल विप्रकर्ष अभावस्य अनुपलब्धेः प्रयोजक, which is deshakala viprakarsa abhava anupalabdhi, if you say sambandha badhaka, then that will become sambandha badhaka. Deshakala viprakarsa abhava is not available, sambandha will not be there. Sambandha badhakatvasya avashyam angikaraniyatvat. So that is badhaka for sambandha, if deshakala viprakarsha abhava is not upalabdha. And nahi prayojaka abhave prayojya sambhavaha. If prayojaka is not there, then prayojya is not possible. So one discussion is complete. Now Purvapakshi is going to give 8 topics or 8 points. See, where he feels संबंध is there. ध्वंसादे ननु एवं ध्वंसादेहे अतीतादिना. No, he just gives this much. Let us read some and then I'll explain all of them. मिथ्यात्व लक्षणांतर्गतस्य अत्यंताभावस्य प्रतियोगिना. The second. शक्तेः शक्येन अज्ञानस्य अज्ञेयेन इच्छायाः इष्यमाणेन व्यवहारस्य व्यवहर्तव्यत्वेन. How many are done? 1, 2, 3, 4. After shaktehe shakyena, you have to put comma. वाक्यस्य अर्थेन वृत्तिरूप ज्ञानस्य ज्ञेयेन 8 are there. संबंधो न इति त्वद् वाक्योक्त संबंध अभावस्य ज्ञानेन असंबंधात् स्वन्याय स्वक्रिया स्ववचन विरोधाः स्युः. पूर्वपक्षी से दिल बी विरोध विद स्वन्याय स्वक्रिया स्ववचन. लेट्स सी. So what was सिद्धांति's व्याप्ति? यत्र यत्र देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभाव तत्र तत्र तात्विक संबंध.
तात्विक
यत्र यत्र देश काल विप्रकर्ष तत्र तत्र आध्यासिक संबंध. So now Purvapakshi is showing vyabhichar in this vyapti. And in them, Swanyaya Virodha means Siddhanti's Nyaya will be contradicted. Siddhanti's Siddhanta will be contradicted. That in these places, if you take Deshakala Viprakarsha Abhava only as Tatvika Sambandha, so Tatvika Sambandha Prayojaka will be Deshakala Viprakarsha Abhava, there will be Virodha. How? See, first one. Dhvansadehe Atitadina. In the past, in Atita Kala, Ghata Dhvansa took place. So now, Ghata is there,
No.
Dhvansa is there.
Yes.
How? Because according to Nyaya, Dhvansa is Ananta. Dhvansa just continues. So Ghata is not Vartamana. Dhvansa is Vartamana. Atita Ghata, Vartamana Dhvansa. And between them, there is Pratyogi Anuyogi. Ghata is the Pratyogi of Dhvansa. Dhvansa Pratyogi is Atita Ghata. Between them, they don't say there is Adhyasika Sambandha. But there is Deshakala Viprakarsha between them. Ghata is no more. Dhvansa is there. This is one problem. And if you say there is Adhyasika Sambandha between Ghata and Dhvansa, then the question will be, what is the Adhishthanam of that Ghata? You cannot say Dhvansa is the Adhishthanam. So according to Siddhanti, Adhishthanam for everything is Brahma only. So if you say other than Brahma, there is some Adhishthanam in which something is Adhyastha, there is Dvaitam. And if you say that there has to be Tatvika Sambandha, then your Vyapti will be refuted. Purvapakshi is saying this. This is first one. I hope you understood. Is it clear between Dhvansa and Atita Ghata?
Yes, Swamiji.
This requires lot of buddhi, vichara. Huh? This is the different kind of thinking. You all know this is not something which we just memorize. Second, मिथ्यात्व लक्षणांतर्गतस्य अत्यंताभावस्य प्रतियोगिना. मिथ्यात्व, its lakshana is has atyantabhava. So if you say something is mithya, means its atyantabhava is there. Like Rajju, Sarpa. In Rajju, that Sarpa is mithya. Why it is mithya? Because in Rajju there is atyantabhava of Sarpa. So mithyatva lakshanantargatasya atyantabhavasya. Now that atyantabhava is there of Sarpa. Rajju Sarpa atyantabhava. Atyantabhava pratyogi is Sarpa. That Sarpa cannot exist there where its atyantabhava is there. So that desha kala where there is Sarpa abhava in Rajju, there its pratyogi Sarpa cannot exist. Therefore, between Sarpa and Sarpa atyantabhava, there is desha kala viprakarsha. Is this much is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody,
Yes, Swamiji.
I will repeat a little bit. Rajju Sarpa. When we say Rajju Sarpa is mithya, it is possible only if there is atyantabhava of Sarpa in Rajju. That atyantabhava of Sarpa, its pratyogi is Sarpa. Sarpa cannot coexist there where its atyantabhava is. So that deshakala where there is atyantabhava, in that same deshakala, its pratyogi cannot exist. Because abhava and pratyogi, they have virodha. So there will be viprakarsha, deshakala viprakarsha between atyantabhava and pratyogi. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
But between them, between Sarpa Atyantabhava and Sarpa, do you say there is Adhyasika Sambandha? We don't say there is Adhyasika Sambandha. And if you say, then the question will be, then where is that between the two? See, between two things, if you say there is Adhyasa, one of them has to become Adhisthana. Like Rajju and Sarpa, between them, if we say there is Adhyasa, say Rajju is Adhisthana, Sarpa is Adhyasta. I'm just saying in a simple language. Huh? In reality, we will not say it is in Rajju. We will say it is in Rajju Avachinna
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya.
And then in that Chaitanya, which is Jnanam, this Sarpa, which is Jnaya, is Adhyasta. That is possible. And that Chaitanya is not different from Brahma. Even though it is Avachinna at that time, but in reality it is Brahma. So in our Mukhya Siddhanta, where we say everything is Adhyasta in Brahma only, that we are not changing. Between Sarpa and Sarpa Atyanta Bhava, if you say there is Adhyasika Sambandha because of Deshakala Viprakarsha, then you will have to prove one of them is Adhisthana. This is Swasiddhanta Virodha. So same as previous one, Swasiddhanta Virodha. And if you say there are two Adhishthanam, then Dvaita. Third, Shaktehe Shakyena. शक्तेः शक्येन. See, the mrittika, it has the ability to produce ghata. But if you cannot, or if you don't want to make ghata right now, let us say, then we say it has the shakti of creating ghata in future. So in Vartamana Kala, Shakya is, see, Mrittika has Shakti and Shakya is Ghata. Ghata is not there. Shakti is there. That's why he gave Shakti he Shakyena Adhyasika Sambandha. So between Ghata and Mrittika Shakti, there is Viprakarsha, Deshakala Viprakarsha. Shakti is there now, Shakya is not there. But you don't say there is Adhyasika Sambandha. Because if we accept Adhyasika Sambandha, again Swasiddhanta Virodha Dosha will come. Clear? Third one?
Yes, Swamiji.
Chaturtha. Everybody is okay, I am assuming. Ajnanasya Agniyena. Ajnanasya Agniyena. This you keep in mind, because Siddhanti is going to prove in Agneya, Ajnanam is Adhyasta. In Agneya, Ajnanam is Adhyasta. But we will use Agneya as Brahma. Brahma which is not known. In that Brahma, Ajnanam is Adhyasta. But Purva Pakshi is right now the argument, Ajnanam and Agneya. Ajnanam means, let's say somebody will be born in your family. Devadatta's family will have Chaitra Janma. But right now there is Ajnanam of that Chaitra because nobody knows who that is, when he will be born, whether it will be boy, girl, anything. So Ajnanam is there. And Ajnanam is right now. And Agneya is that Padartha, that Putra, who is not there right now. Is it clear? Ajnanam is there, Agneya is not there. Yes?
Yes, Swamiji.
So between them, if you say there is Adhyasa Sambandha, Adhyasika Sambandha, between Ajnanam and Agneya, something you will have to prove as Adhishthanam. Because Deshakala Viprakarsha is there. So again you will have Swasiddhanta Virodha. Then next one, Ichhayaha Ishyamanena. If there is Ichha, same example we can take in the next one. Ichha of Bhavi Putra, Bhavishya Putra. Ishyamana is Putra. Ichha is there now. Ishyamana is not there now. So there is Deshakala Viprakarsha. But Adhyasika Sambandha is not there, because if you accept, then again you will have the same problem of so what is the Adhishthanam between the two, etc., etc. Vyavaharasya Vyavahartavyattvena. Between the Vyavahara and Vyavahartavya. Vyavahara, so literally we think this will work. With Purva Pakshi's example, he will take like this. Putro Bhavishyati. This Vyavahara he can do now. देवदत्तस्य पुत्रो भविष्यति, but vyavahartavya, that putra is not there. So again deshakala viprakarsha is there, but adhyasika sambandha is not there. Next one is vakyasya arthena. Vakya, if I say ayam ghataha and ghata is there, vakya and artha both are in the same deshakala, sambandha is possible. But if I say ayam yagaha पुण्यस्य जनकः और धर्मस्य जनकः, धर्म शब्द, this yaga will produce dharma in some punya. So that vakya is there in vartamana kala, but punya is not come yet. When I finish the yaga, then punya will happen. So there is desha kala viprakarsha. But we don't say there is adhyasika sambandha. This is the seventh one, vakyasya arthena. And then vritti rupa jnanasya jnayena. Next one. Vritti rupa jnana. Putro bhavishyati again. Vritti rupa jnana. That jnanam is there now. Jnaya, the putra, is not there. So there is deshakala viprakarsha. But there is no adhyasika sambandha. In this way, in these 8 places, Purvapakshi said, Swanyaya, Swakriya, Swavachana Virodhaha Syuh. So in the first 7, Swanyaya Virodha. Because in all of them, first 7, Tattvika Sambandha is accepted, not Adhyasika. But according to Siddhanti, this should have been Adhyasika Sambandha. So that's why it is Swanyaya Virodha. And in the 8th one, it is Swakriya and Swavachana Virodha. Because Jnanam and Jnaya, they don't have any Vastavik Sambandha here. Jnanam of Putra and Jnaya Putra, between them, there is no Sambandha because Putra is going to be there only in Bhavishya. Nahi jnane, we will just conclude this portion. Nahi jnane jneyamiva pratiyogyadikam abhavat abhavadau adhyastam iti chet. Nahi jnane jneyamiva pratiyogyadikam abhavadau adhyastam. Because according to this is jnane jneyamiva, like in jnanam, jnaya is adhyastha. Jnanam means Brahma, drak, drashta. Jnaya is drishya. Drishya, how it is adhyastha in jnanam, like that this pratiyogi padartha, pratiyogi adi, kam abhavadau na adhyastam. Pratiyogi and etc., they are not adhyastha in abhava. So that is what Purvapakshi's conclusion up to here. Iti chet. सिद्धांति से न। यद्यपि उक्त न्याय साम्येन ध्वंसादीनां स्वप्रतियोगिता आदिभिः तात्विक संबंधो नास्ति। सिद्धांति से देयर इज नो तात्विक संबंध। अध्यासो अपि न ज्ञान ज्ञेय न्यायेन। अध्यास, now just one point, adhyasa is possible only when one of them has to be satyam. If both are mithya, there is no need of adhyasa. We will say they will have vyavahara kala satyatva. For adhyasa, one thing has to be satyam, another is mithya. When ubhaya are mithya, ubhayo ho api mithyatvat. If both are mithya, why you have to say adhyasa? So Siddhanti accepts that yadyapi ukta nyaya samyena dhvansadinam, this dhvansa etc. Swapratiyogi adibhihi tatvika sambandha is not there. But adhyasika sambandha is also not there. Why? Both are mithya. Then what kind of sambandha is there? And that he says, we'll just see this line. Tathapi pratyamanam pratiyogi anuyogi bhavadikam sarvatha na nidakurmaha. We are not like Bauddha Shunyavadi who says none of them are existing. Then what do we say? Kintu tatvika adhyasabhyam भिन्नमेव ज्ञेय कुक्षि निक्षिप्तत्वात् मिथ्या भूतम अंगीकुर्मः. It is that like ज्ञेय which will eventually be proved as mithya. So this sambandha is mithya. Why? Because it is ज्ञेय. यत्र यत्र ज्ञेयत्वम और यत्र यत्र दृश्यत्वम तत्र तत्र मिथ्यात्वम. So it is ज्ञेय कुक्षि निक्षिप्त, and therefore we accept it as mithya. Because both are mithya vastu, between them we don't say there is adhyasika sambandha. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.